Hello there guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your teacher Daryl Dalmino. Do not forget to like, share, subscribe to my channel, and ring the bell so that you're updated to my edit vlogs, my tutorials, and my travels. So for this day, I will teach you how to enable your sound or audio out in your Google Meet. So this is one of the many problems of some teachers, of some users of Google Meet. They are trying to puzzle out or figure it out what to do to be able to have an audio or to be able to hear the sound of the video or movie that they are wanted to watch to their students, wanted to present to their participants, something like that. So I will teach you how to enable and how to fix that problem within your Google Meet. Okay, so I think that you are ready. In addition to that, I will also teach you how to put a non-copyright video in your PowerPoint presentation or even in your Google Slides. Are you ready? Yes, I think that you are ready right now. So today, we will start. Okay, so now I'm using the Google Slides. So aside from Google Slides, you can also use PowerPoint presentation. So either of the two, it can be. Okay, so since I have here a sample not PowerPoint, but a Google Slide, let's go to YouTube right now. So in finding your video that has no copyright, it means that your video can be shared or it can be reused. So just type, for example, the topic health. Okay, and then these are the videos that are related for sales, but some of those videos has the copyright claim or it is owned by anyone who uploaded originally. So you have to go to your filter. Okay, then right after that, click that part. Then you will see a lot of different choices here. So you need to go to features, and in the features part, okay, you will see there the Creative Commons. So choose Creative Commons, meaning to say Creative Commons, you are allowed to share, reuse the video for specific purposes. For example, if you wanted to share this video to your students and you wanted to view it publicly, okay, so this is very helpful, Creative Commons. So some of the videos doesn't have any Creative Commons or the original one, but some of the videos that you wanted, especially educational videos or informative videos, it can be. So this video, this part of the video or this video itself is already now a Creative Commons, meaning to say this can be shared, and you can also get this one with no copyright claim. Okay, so here you can see it is Creative Commons. It's shareable. Okay, there you go. See, it's Creative Commons. Attribution license, reuse allowed. So you are allowed to reuse the video. And then right after that, we will put that video into our slide. Since I'm using the Google Slide, I will post this video in my Google Slide, or I will share this video to my Google Slide. And if you have your PowerPoint with you, it's okay. So all you have to do is to go to your slide again, and then go to Insert. Okay, then go to Video. Then just choose the video. If you have the YouTube URL or the link that I copied a while ago, just paste it here and then search it. Okay, and then click this part, then select. Then there you go. The video itself is already connected to your Google Slide. Okay. For an instance, this is now our topic for today. Or this is the video that you wanted your students to be informed about. Okay, watch this. And then one of the many problems is that how are we going to hear the sound that this video produced when we use our Google Meet? So let's try to present this part. Let's wait for a minute. Okay, if you know sounds right, but
In
when
a
we are
whole
going to
organism.
present this to our Google Meet, we will be able to hear the sound. So
Kind of
try.
like.
And for us to be able to know that, let's go to our Google Meet. Start a meeting. Okay. Then let's continue. Then I will share it to my personal account so that you will be able to hear, but you will hear some echo. Okay. Let's disable this one because I'm using my camera right now. Okay, what is the code? I am using my lesson account, so it's this one. Then email, and then let's connect it to this one. Oh, there you go. So I already received it, and then let's join. That you will be able to hear the sound. Okay, there you go. I am now included. See? And now I am hearing my voice. But there are some like feedback. We will just, decrease the volume so that you will be able to understand. Because you're gonna hear it here. Okay, so this is the magical part where are you going to enable the audio of your video that we have gathered from YouTube. Okay, so first things first is be sure that your microphone is enabled so that you will be able to, you will be able to speak and your participants will hear you as much as possible. So when you are going to present your presentation or your video in your Google Meet, it is a must for you to know how and where and what to choose. Okay, because that is the very important part on choosing the, choosing the option on how to share your presentation. Only one. But this part, a Chrome tab, is the best choice for video and animation. So if you have a lot of animation, if you have a lot of video with audio, this is the best option to choose from. Okay, so just click this one and then choose A, B, C, D, drag and drop activity. That is where our video is located. So there you go. So we are now presenting this video. So I'm gonna show it to you in my phone. Okay. See. This is it now. So this is the presentation. There you go. I am now presenting. So here, I'm going to present this video. And now, you will hear the sound of the video that you are going to present to your students or to your participants. See? You're hearing the sound right now, right? Okay. Even here, by the way. See? The sound is now enabled. So that's how. We'll post this one first. Okay, so that's how you enable your sound in your Google Meet. In choosing a PowerPoint presentation or in a Google Slide presentation, either of the two, as long as you choose a Google Chrome tab in your Google Meet when presenting, you will be able to enable your audio out. Okay, so I hope this video is very helpful to you guys. Do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. This is your teacher, Da, signing off. Bye. Have a blessed day.